Now we should cut this section from the whole body. So I come back to the SolidWorks, I click on the scroll button, and when I drag I can rotate the body. This is one of the navigating tools in the 3D model. So I click the bottom and normal to, now we're normal to this plane. I go to the sketch, select the sketch, and I am going to create that rectangle. For the dimensions, we have 20 for the distance here. This one is also 20. It is missing, but believe me, it is 20. So 20 for this one. Also for this one. As you can see, these two are black, but these ones are blue. So what we can do, when I click on the origin, I hold Control. When I hover over and close to the midpoint appears. So I select it, and here in the relations, I'm gonna add the relation horizontal. As you can see now, it is fully defined and I cannot move it up and down, make it bigger or smaller, or things like that. So what we need to do now, we're going to go to features and we should extruded cut that. I select this feature, and here we have, again, like extruded was, we can change the direction. For this body it doesn't make sense, and we have some options here. We have blind, which we should specify a dimension, a length. We have through all, it goes all through the body. We have through all both, in case we have something else up here. We have up to next, which is the perfect one for this example. And we have, for example, up to surface. Now we can select the surface, or we have up to vertex. For example, for this one, it's not a good idea. We have up to body, in case we have something here, we could extend the cut through that body. And we have mid plane. So for this one, I'm gonna choose up to next, which is a similar to this one, but up to next is more straightforward. And now we cut through this section. But we have the same thing here. In order to avoid the repetition of doing all the sketching and features, I'm gonna mirror. So I come up here, we have mirror. As you can see, cut extrude is selected. So I select mirror, and mirror faces or plane, I again open this one, and for the plane, right plane is the great one for this purpose. And there we go. Now we have to cut it through body. Everything seems perfect.